So this is cold here. This is like like a toilet. Cold as outside. Siku anataka hii mvua inipate hapa.
Mbona sionekana?
Inachukua huko.
Acha nikuonyeshe.
Oh, this is a gideri. You know beans and corn. So this is they are selling here, like the people are eating here, and she's the one who is selling. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you selling?
Pascalia.
From
I'm
where?
selling gideri.
Gideri. He's doing some business here at Mara's home. So are you selling only gideri?
No, I'm selling gideri.
Gideri and?
Oh, chapati.
Also chapati here. And what? And which one?
And there is tea here.
Tea, this is milk tea.
Yeah.
Also this one here, what is this?
That's strong tea.
Strong tea. And this is the sufuria that was that was cooked in.
Yeah.
So like that, as you can see. So how is business today?
Today business is good.
It's because I see the dairy has reduced.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to sell only this dairy here and chapati? Are they not asking any other food?
Yes, they are asking another food, but today the timetable.
It said only gideri.
Today we cook gideri, but tomorrow we'll cook ugari and the fish.
Ugari, you know ugari, the usual ugari that I usually cook. So that's the ugari. She's talking about ugari, the one I usually do videos when I am at my home, like, yeah. So the rain is here, so I think, what's your name again?
My name is Pascalia Mpeza.
Did someone to force you to do the business, or you started it by yourself?
I started by myself.
Oh. So say you subscribe to my channel, go subscribe to Grace Care Mission.
Yeah, I'm Pascalia Mpeza.
So say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my
Grace Care channel.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, I wish you all the best. Continue pushing, because there are other youths out there who don't want to work hard. So God bless you as you continue. Yeah, thanks. So we are going up. I should go up. So you go up like that. Still on, like the place is still. The work is still on, and yeah. Like so, wow. So I'm going around by myself because Mara is not here, like he has already left, like. Yeah. There's someone who's doing some work there. We can't go up because they are busy up there. I don't know. No, I can't pass there. Up. 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 So this is it here. I was just showing you around. The place is very lovely over there. Oh, what's up, guys? Here your girl Grace Mission. For my tiny subscribers, I welcome everyone. If you are outside there, consider subscribing, support your girl. Talk live from Mara's home. Here I have Mama here who is working here also. Hard working mamas, they don't want to be left behind because this work is a man's job, but she's here. Hard working this day here, so she's here. What's your name?
My name is Renita
Robi, and a very nice name.
Yes.
So how come you are here? And I only see that only men are working here.
I'm here because when I do that work here, I'm getting money to buy food for my child. Then I buy for them even clothes and whatever.
So is this work dirty? Because I see like other people can say that that work that it has a lot of dust. I know.
For me, it is not dirty because I like that. I like that job.
Anyway, where money comes from?
Because I get money for that job. Then I don't think it is bad to me.
Anywhere, where money comes from, may it be anywhere, any job, it just fits you like that.
Yes.
So what inspired you to go to do like any other job? Because other women, they don't like, they only wait for their husbands to bring food and everything.
No, this job is good because you get money. Right now, when you finish your work, you get money, and the money you get, you can
buy food, chumvi, mafuta, kila kitu.
Nini, kila kitu.
Even unga, everything. She says like that.
Even food, you can buy for viazi.
So, do you work like every day here?
Yes, I'm working every day.
Since you started painting, you are still here. So how much do you pay? Are you going to be paid per day? Like
per day? 400.
400, that's a nice money. How long have you worked here?
1 month.
1 month?
Yes.
30 days times 400, that's 12,000.
Yeah.
And do you have like the women's, they have like a chama?
Yes, I have that chama, which we contribute for another one.
Like here or at home?
At home, there. Then this money I get here, I can pay my house, rent house.
You are not sleeping at your home?
No, I'm renting.
At town?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Nyabuanzi.
Yeah.
She's and where is your baba watoto?
My husband is not. When he get another marriage, he married another wife.
He married another wife.
He left me there.
So you are taking care of the children alone.
Yes,
that's why you are working hard.
Yes, I'm working here hard because I have another children in University Congo. Another one is NYS. Another one is secondary from 3.
That's very nice. I want if
the
they
last born, I have grade 2.
So I know when they are going to get like a job, that the husband is going to look from far away and see that I wish I was there.
No.
Are you going to tell him that welcome again at your house?
When
Or
he
what
come,
time?
I tell them, I tell him, come, don't fear. Don't fear.
And
Come.
you have taken
You are
all
my
the
husband.
responsibility
Yes.
just to work hard for yourself. Does he call you or he doesn't?
He called me.
So this is it here. She's very happy. She's hard working. Actually, I have loved how she doesn't choose any job like, and she's working here. After scrapping, they're gonna do the painting. This is the painting here. So if you are outside there, this is Grace Mission. I do YouTube, so I welcome you in my channel. I don't know if you can open your channel if you want.
Yes.
If with a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you can open a channel maybe to start there. You can put anything, how you cook, maybe how you cook, how you do your daily basis inside the house
Come
maybe.
visit me. I cook for you.
Yeah.
Your friends.
Yes, I just take your number. Maybe when I'm going to be free, I'll visit you. Yeah, that is it. So you can tell my viewers, you can subscribe to Grace Mission channel. Tell them like that. Subscribe
Subscribe
to Grace Mission.
to Grace Mission.
Yeah, that is
Bye.
it. Bye bye. See you. Thank you so much. So this is it here actually. So like these are the windows here. These are the windows here. A lot of things are taking on, and the rain is over there. So it is still, the weather is not that good. This is the whole place here. It is very much nice, as you can see. Those are the stairs up there. These are the stairs where you see the stairs that goes up there. On the outside here also, like there was a river here. That water here doesn't dry up because like the place there is like maybe a stream, like there is a stream there, you can see that water. So this is it. The place is very nice, like also with that way it is still going on. Those are the workers who are going on with the job here. Yo, this is it here. Although this one here is used just for a stand, like this is the wheelbarrows. The outside you see there is some corn outside there. Those are some corn. The place looks nice. It is raining outside, like yeah, this is it. So what I can say, I may end up this video here. Thank you so much for coming always to support me. I really appreciate the love. May you continue supporting each other. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Jan.